Driving up to Baguio, on the way you get this massive head of lion, which has become a tourist attraction. Let's go just see what it's about. Roadside pasulubong shops, quite common around these touristy areas. It was built in the year 1971, which was during the lion year, 71-72. And welcome to Baguio, summer capital of the Philippines. It's a short city tour and more sights to see later. In Baguio, because of its popularity with tourism and everything else, it's become a little overcrowded, possibly overdeveloped, but these are some of the old houses, the hillside houses. And just the unique thing about it is that it's on a cliff face with a river below. That's the kind of the vista you get. One of the things you do in Baguio is visit Burnham Park, and all these things inside are the attractions. Skating rink, sports stadium in the back with facilities. It's a public holiday and people are all out and about. Well, it's under construction or actually renovation, because that's supposed to be a lake with some boating facilities which used to exist in the past, and it isn't anymore as of now. But you see a lot of people engaged in all kinds of I don't know, cycling activities, I guess.
Or you do one thing, I will send you my location.
If you're looking to stroll around for a bit, get a bit of exercise, the weather is really nice. It's quite pleasant. If you just want a nice little walk, this is where you go. And this is the rose garden. Food and Crafts Expo. And a couple of pooches. Just a quick glimpse around the rose garden, and a lot of different types of flowers here, not just rose. This is for friends of mine who love seeing rose gardens and rose growing around. And this is for you folks. And I suppose the fountain isn't operational at this point in time. Just a quick overview of Burnham Park before I move on to the next video. Alright, snapshot of Baguio. Hope you liked it. Bring more of Baguio different attractions in my next video. Ciao for now.